Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepared Camping, and for a long while now I've been thinking about getting a gravity-fed water filtration system in case of an emergencies here in my house. And it would also be handy to take camping with us. But they've been quite expensive, the American system I've looking at, so I've never got around to buying one yet. And last week, a British company who started manufacturing a very similar model has very kindly asked me if I'd like to have a look at one for free. So of course, I said yes. Let's have a look, see what's in the box, shall we? So it comes very well packaged. Okay, so that's the filters. Oh, they've sent me a nice little water bottle as well, which is quite handy. There's the system itself. And they've also sent me a little life straw, which is nice. So here we can see it's a stainless steel drinking water gravity filter by British Berkefeld, and it's made in Britain. Doesn't require any power to work. Simple to install, simple to set up. So let's have a look, shall we? So in case anyone wants to buy one of these kits, here's a set of the instructions. I'll put these slowly on the screen, so in the future you can always come back here, pause the screen wherever you need, and you'll have the instructions in case you manage to lose them. Super shiny. Okay, it's got a little rubber bit there on the bottom so it won't slide around, which is good. Our lid. Just separates like that. Some more things inside. You can see here, it's got 4 holes with 2 blanking plugs. Obviously, you could probably get more of these if you wanted, so you could use one at a time, but the more that you have going, the quicker it will work. So, what's inside here? Okay, so there's 2 more filters inside there, which is cool. So that means I've actually got 4 filters. Excellent, thank you guys. And here's our tap assembly. So let's put it together. So first and foremost, make sure you've got all your parts. So we have our bottom, our top, lid, filters, spigot, washers, locking nuts, and our handle for the lid. Take the washer. Put the washer over our little bolt. And then from the inside, push that through. Then put a finger over that to hold it in place. And simply screw on the top. And I think that's reasonably secure. But if you wanted to, you could just give that a quick tighten up. To attach our spigot, we simply remove the locking nut and one of the rubber washers. Leave the other one on the outside. Locate the hole on the base, push that through. Then on the inside, you're going to place the rubber washer on first, which is a bit of a tight squeeze, but don't worry about that. And then you're going to hand thread on the locking nut. And there you go. Now for fitting the actual candles into the top part, we simply put the large rubber washer over the top, locate one of the holes, push it through, you see it protrudes out the top, and then just lock into place with the locking wing nut. Again, you're just going hand tight with these as well, because we're trying not to damage anything. There we go. And do the same with the second one. Opposite, not adjacent. Now that simply sits on top. We can place our water into here and it will filter out the bottom. And lid on top to stop anything getting inside. And it is quite large, but when you're not in use, you can simply take the lid off, invert this inside itself. This part here will stop it before it touches the spigot at the bottom, and our lid can go on top again. When collapsed down like this, it's 14 inches or 36 centimeters tall and 9 inches or 22.5 centimeters in diameter. And the overall height when it's fully assembled is, including the handle on top, 51 centimeters or 20 inches. Now it's filled, simply put the lid on top and then leave it to drain through. There you can just hear it starting to drip through now. Over time that flow rate will improve, and obviously at the beginning we're going to be discarding the first few litres anyway. So I'll be trying this out over the next few months with my honest opinion for you guys. I'll have a link up here to where the company describe their different filters and what they can do, and they'll also be in the description below if you want. These are on sale in the UK at the moment, and I'll have a link to their webpage for that as well if you're of interest to you. So thanks for watching guys, till next time, take care.